Yo, Paul here from ZoomGas, and today we're going to show you how to check on recalls and technical service bulletins on your Honda CR-V. So only tools you're going to need today for this is go to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website. And once you're there, you're going to see that you can put in your VIN number, but you'll also see along the top you can just type in a vehicle type. So you'll see that I start typing in the Honda CR with the year, and then I get a pop-up list there of items. And from that, I'm going to go ahead and choose the 2023 CR-V all-wheel drive. There's a list of complaints, manufacturer's communications, recalls, and investigations. So I'll talk a little bit about each one of these here to show you what each one can provide information to you on. So first, if you just look at the complaints, you'll see that there's a whole long list. And when you click on one, it will expand the information so you can read more about other complaints that have been filed. And you can also file complaints on their website also. But I think the things that you'll find more interesting are probably the recall, because that's the most important thing to be aware of and to keep your vehicle up to date, but also to see investigations. These are items that will likely become recalls in the near future in many cases. And then what's called a technical service bulletin, or they call it a manufacturer's communication. So those of you that are very interested to see what Honda has all issued about items related to your vehicle, you can go there and expand each item, and it'll tell you more about all of the different TSBs or technical service bulletins that have been issued. So as a reminder, you can put your VIN directly into the website and it'll find it right there. It also kind of, as you scroll up, you'll see it gives you a lot of great information about the safety features that the Honda CR-V, the technology that it had in it. And also at the top, you'll also get the chance once again to type in another search. So I typed in here a 2024 as an example, and you can see that it comes up and gives you the same kind of information and selections to choose from. So I hope this helps. And like always, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Zoom got so well, you make it go fast.